In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Docs not loading. If Docs is hanging on a blank screen or throwing errors, follow along and we'll clear it up step by step. Start by opening your browser. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox. Any of these will work just fine. The idea here is to isolate whether the issue is with the browser's saved data or something else. Next, open a private browsing session. On Chrome or Edge, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N on Windows or CMD plus Shift plus N on a Mac. This launches a clean window that ignores most stored cookies and cache. In that private window, sign into Google Drive and try opening the file that wouldn't load. If it opens here, that's a strong sign your regular window has corrupted site data, causing the issue. Over time, stored local site data can become corrupted and cause communication errors with Google servers, and that's exactly what we're going to fix. Close the private window and go back to your regular browser window. Click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of your browser to open the menu. Choose Settings. In the sidebar, select Privacy and Security. On some versions, you might find this under More Tools. Then click Clear Browsing Data. In the dialog that appears, change the time range to All Time. This ensures we remove any lingering, outdated data that could interfere with Google services. Check the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files. These are the two categories most likely to cause loading problems with Google Docs. Be aware that clearing cookies will sign you out of most websites, so have your logins handy. When you're ready, click Clear Data. After it finishes, sign back into Google Drive and try opening your document again in a normal window. If the file won't open at all or keeps showing a file unavailable crash, be aware that creating a server-side duplicate of the file from Drive often bypasses the glitch. It's a helpful workaround while you sort out the underlying issue. Finally, let's check one more setting related to offline access. Navigate to the Google Drive home screen. Click the gear icon at the top right and select Settings. In the General tab, scroll down to find the offline option. Uncheck the box labeled Create, Open, and Edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files on this device while offline. Turning this off can resolve sync conflicts that occasionally block files from loading. That's it. With these steps, Google Docs should load smoothly again.